Honda Civic Ep3 in. We've just finished modifying it. It's had an exhaust put on it, a 4-to-1 manifold, an induction kit, some other bits and bobs like lowering springs and things like that. But now we're going to map it on the Honda Vert system and see what power we get. Jason's busy strap lapping. 225 Jason thinks, so we'll see if he's right at the end of this video. Rich will talk us through it at the end, so do stay tuned. We're going to do a standard power run now, and once that's done, we'll get tuned in and see what she makes in the first instance, and then we are going to improve on that. Okay, so standard power run done, and Richard has now installed the Honda Vert ECU down there. How are you, Richard?
What day is it today?
Today's the day that customers don't turn up when they're booked in.
But what day is that?
Is
it a Wednesday?
I think it's a Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Did well, Jason, standard.
What?
I know, yeah, it's good, ain't it?
What?
Jason looks confused.
What? How's it made that standard?
Good mods, mate. It's got a Dynodaze custom intake on it. It's got an inlet manifold.
Fucking hell, good pair ones with Matt.
I know. It's got a 4-to-1 manifold on it.
Fucking off the screen.
Yeah. Oh, Jason seemed happy.
It does indeed. What was Jason's mate's name? It had very similar mods, didn't it?
Yeah, Zach, was it? I don't know.
What was your mate's name, Jason?
So it's time to have a look at some mods. Look at that. Dynodaze built that. I think it looks pretty nice. So this car's going to be a track toy. That's what's going to happen with it. The owner has decided that he wants to send it on track and have a lot of fun, and the EP3 is the perfect car to do such a thing. So we're going to get some power into it, and he's going to have a lot of fun. So let's get tuning. More of that. Well, the customer's going to be extremely happy with that, Richard.
I believe so.
Well, I'm shocked. Made more than what I thought. But I know nothing. I'm no tuna, I'm only a tuna fish.
A tuna fish. Yeah, it's done really, really well.
235, was it?
Yeah, I think.
Fucking lovely.
Yeah, very lovely.
Fucking jubbly.
Yeah, 235 standard inlet manifold. We've done like a custom induction kit, 3" to 3.5 inch, which they generally seem to really like. We've done it as an open filter. You know, people go on about heat soak and things like that. Yeah, okay, fair enough. We can talk about that till the cows come home. But in this environment, with the bonnet up and a bit of fresh air coming in from the fan, it's done well. We've got a jet speed manifold on it, and we've got the cheapest exhaust that we can buy on eBay, which is a spoon rep, you know, jet speed to a Tour Sport, Tour Sport, you're right, 2.25 inch exhaust. A little bit of fabrication, like the hangers always need moving.
Yeah.
It was supplied with a sleeve to join the two midsections together. We've made a little stainless steel sleeve and tigged it up once we've mocked it up on the car, just to make it better.
We've got some photographs of that, Jason.
Yeah, we have.
Yeah, excellent. I'll put them at the end of this video, guys.
Yeah, it makes the exhaust better, obviously, so you've not got a blowing sleeve or something that can move, because, as you know, when you try and clamp stainless steel, it never works.
No.
So we've welded a sleeve in and done a real nice job of that. Yeah, I generally think the customer's going to be really happy with this.
I'm sure he is.
We have also done front disc and pads on this car. We've done a brake fluid change in this car.
Lowering springs in this car. 2 rear flexes on it because we're having trouble bleeding them, and we cracked the pipes off at the flexes, and we've got fluid no problem, but coming out was barely anything. So rear brake's not really working, which would hence the reason obviously they were probably corroded in the first place. So a pair of flexes on it. Yeah, leaving here a better car for sure. Oh, absolutely. He's going to love that, man. When he sees this video of those bombs being dropped. I mean, I know that's just a little added extra, isn't it? It makes people smile, but I thought that was epic. So let's have a look at the graph whilst we're here, shall we, Richard? Okay.
I mean, car made good power in standard form with the standard map. I mean, we made 223 or 224 if you want to split hairs. Initially straight off the bat. Now bearing in mind that standard map with obviously the modifications in which we've put on the car. Then we've obviously put the Honda Vert board in the ECU, and then obviously we've mapped, and then obviously blue line is everything that we've gained from that point. Finishing today at 235, which I think is
205 at the wheels.
Yeah, that's the most you're getting out of this setup, for sure.
Absolutely.
There's nothing more to be had.
Yeah, absolutely brilliant.
Everything's right, basically, is the answer. You know, the exhaust is the right combination, the manifold's the right combination, induction kit's the right combination. It's just all worked together, and it's made good power today.
Yeah, fantastic. Well, guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video and listen to Richard waffle on, and we shall see you in the next one, won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.
Yes.